beautiful floor seating arrangement. I arranged this floor seating for my daughter. She wants a special space in her home to read and to do her activities. I arranged this with a carpet and with some pillows and also with some beautiful indoor plants and of course with some DIYs. To highlight this area, also added some fairy lights. Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's quickly start this floor seating arrangement or study corner. And this is the corner which I am going to decorate. First I placed a corner stand in the corner. So on the top rack I am going to place a beautiful indoor plant. This is an air purifier spider plant. Coming to the second rack, I am going to place a vase. This is a DIY of plain mud pot which I covered with beautiful clay roses. If you want the details of vase, you can check the link in my description box below. Coming to the third rack, here I have placed a glass bowl which I bought from IKEA. Here I placed a small lantern which is a gift of my daughter. And also I filled this bowl with some rose fragrance dry flowers. And this is also an IKEA product. This generally used for decoration and this spreads beautiful fragrance to the entire room. And this fragrance lasts up to 2 to 3 months. Coming to the fourth rack, here I have placed a hot which is my daughter's favorite pillow. And also I have covered the remaining space with another beautiful indoor plant. To the other side, I have placed a colorful round carpet which I bought from Amazon. To the comfort, added 2 pillows at the back side. Coming to the left side, I have placed a cane basket which I bought from Shivajinagar, Bangalore, and I have placed an indoor plant in it. Added some white pebbles which I already have in my home. Except this carpet, the remaining materials which I used to decorate this cozy corner are already there at my home. So the arrangement of left side is done. Coming to the right side, I have placed a bookshelf. This is actually a cloth organizer of my younger son. All the 4 racks are filled with books and files, and on the top rack I have placed an organizer which is also an IKEA product, and I have placed some things which they regularly use. This is a sunflower DIY which I prepared with fur cloth. And here is a cute heart of 99 rupees again from IKEA. And this is a board which is prepared by my daughter. This is actually a thin wood which she covered with jute cloth and gave a diamond design with a jute rope. And also she hanged her timetables with the help of a wooden clip. And the borders, here she used a taupe dining table cover lace. And this is a small blackboard. And this blackboard sheet you can buy from Amazon. The link is provided in description box below. And here is a DIY pin board. And this is the final look of her study board. So at the bottom I have placed 2 pillows. And on top of it I have placed her book. And I have placed a wooden tray. And this is a broken basket in which I have placed a one more spider plant. Added some glass beads. And I have placed her milk cup. To cover this wall, here I have used my net chunni. Insert this chunni from a bangle. Stick one adhesive sticker to the wall and just hang this bangle. To cover this wall, here I have taken glass stars. You can buy this from Amazon. The link is provided in description box below. Peel off the backside sticker and place this star wherever you want. And we also need to remove the thin layer on the star. So here and there I have arranged these stars. To highlight this area, I have used some fairy lights which you can buy from Amazon. The link is provided in description box below. These fairy lights really gives an amazing look to our seating arrangement. And here is the final look. Added some more fairy lights to the corner stand, to the indoor plant and to the steady board. Arranging these fairy lights is completely optional. So here I have shared some small ideas to decorate this steady corner. I think you can do much better than me. And here I have placed my cute favorite teddy, and this is night look of this floor seating arrangement. I hope you enjoyed watching this beautiful video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do share with your friends and relatives. Also, do not forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.